Today I'm going to show you how to connect Google Sheets to N8N in just a few simple steps. This is a really useful setup if you want to automate data entry, read spreadsheet rows, or move information between Google Sheets and the rest of your workflows without doing everything manually. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick automation tutorials. Let's get right into it. First, open the workflow you want inside N8N. You can start with an existing workflow or create a new one depending on what you're building. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the Nodes panel. This is where you can add different apps and actions to your workflow. From the Nodes panel, choose Google Sheets. You can use the search bar if needed or scroll until you find it. After selecting Google Sheets, N8N will show you a list of available actions for that node. Choose any action you want. It doesn't matter which one you pick for the connection process, because the main goal here is simply to connect your Google account to N8N. Once you've selected the action, you'll see the option to sign in with Google. Click Sign in with Google to connect it. A Google login window will open, and you'll be asked to choose the account you want to use. Select the correct Google account, review the permissions, and allow access so N8N can connect to your Sheets. After that, your Google Sheets account will be linked to N8N and ready to use in your workflow. From there, you can continue setting up your spreadsheet, columns, and automation logic based on the action you chose. And that's it, you've now connected Google Sheets to N8N. If you found this useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.